Yeah, yeah. Watch out. Skinny jeans and Ken Raw and McGill Big J.A. Pro Taddy than we turn in a scarecrow. Killer Razzie Draco. If you're gonna fit tell you where your name no.
Welcome back, guys, to a brand new YouTube video. Once again, we are going to the bank to get some fish, you know. And today we're there with Prince, Omarion, and Dino. Is it? But Dino have more talks and I catch more fish than me. And he mash up the most line to watch out. What line are Dino mash up?
See you goes.
See
Small ball line.
Show your line there.
Alright, it's our line. It's our line we are using.
Prince line.
Is
Ah,
it?
tell
When
you
we get
that.
further into the video, we're going to show you the bait we are using. You see? So just want to stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, see the boat here guys. See the boat here. Oh, we are gonna get. Hey guys, get on board! Come on, come on, whatever. Come in man, we are going to
See that people, the beat we are use.
What is the accomplishment when you do that now? But I can show the man in the bait.
Come in now. Look a boy.
Look up inside though.
Prince, that's the bait we are using guys. Come here.
Let's joke to brother. Go back, get ready on the boat that you want.
Bumbo clock.
Why you go bad on the vlog too?
No, it can be for.
I
Come in, Prince. Jump in that boy. You should do one where the unnecessary bad word from.
bad boy, bad say.
You have the boat and lead.
The lake?
Lie, brother.
Where the beer there? You see it?
Or the bail there?
Yo, here, go for the beer.
Well, I use something, we can use something.
Alright guys.
Yo, get up now, get up now. Get up.
Alright guys. We don't want to know a puggle go up in the mangrove, you know? You shall Rosie old Rosie!
Tacky, the tacky.
Big and nice.
Yo, the tacky. Yo, please look at you, what not know the buckle.
Give them Rosie one up.
Please look at you, what not know the buckle.
That's Rosie old guys.
Yo, my youth, brother. To do them.
Turn, me down, crash.
Yo, turn, brother.
I print of turn the boat, brother.
We don't want to crash, brother.
We are bad thing, man. We can't turn the boat.
I'm weak, but I'm look stronger than you. Who's stronger, people? Talk to me. Who's stronger?
Yo, you know, see this?
Tick, tick. See, man, come on.
Fuck that,
Keep your
brother.
hand from him. Keep your hand from the upper hand, brother.
Kick your fuck.
Hey!
What's that you that, brother?
Better scream it out there, Jack Codry.
You can't drive.
No, tell the truth, no. I like to see some crocodile chuck up in the balloon. Me chuck out, me chuck in the middle ball. It's a very run man in front just so.
Tell the boat, brother. And stop with a lazy fucker, brother.
Yo, this paddle now go work.
He uses.
No.
Gak.
No, this is a deep.
Why that one? But what actually now? Oh, man, like we tell us that back a week.
Feel it.
No, crack.
Let me
Fair second.
Feel this, crack. Feel this. No. Just feel it, just feel it. Sweet to God, feel it, crack. Good one about me, that's.
Go do that, Jack. Bumbo clat.
Because by the way,
Feel that.
so that we a joke this to go out with that. I'll go tell the manipulate Tom now. I went them jiggy man, push it go straight down in the water. Push it down in the water. Push all light in the water. All light.
It's ass.
Put all light in the water. See if you feel more.
Alright, you see how it feels?
Push it straight. Try to put the whole light in the water.
You better pack that chopping like people.
Really?
Just a take off. You ready for traveling, okay?
Yes.
Clat.
This
Don't
up
beat the sun on my side.
What you say?
most of it them face that youth.
Yo, for two this candy at front here. Like
Like give that look over there.
candy at front.
Look on the right side there.
It's a pound of bag of this.
Yeah, where maybe what? As a regional shit, some start eat food.
Of course.
Belly cover youth.
Name that touch the bait youth. But I eat a fried fish, yes?
Yo, put this in your back. Sick, my brother.
That man, what the fuck? Yo.
Yo, come over near to the bush, cause this now gonna work, brother.
The sun there.
By the bush.
Go across the bush.
Packing that, Taddy?
Oh my God, packle now.
Packing that, brother?
Buckle.
Watch him.
Speed! Speed! Daddy, slow on the boat, man. Speed, people, that's about. The 40 the power boat.
Aim it right on the boat there.
In the bush? That's all I got.
man. The sun thing now go work.
Jesus Christ, man. The sun, what is sun there? Sun hot.
Ah, gosh. Alright, guys, we reaching the mango pen, you know?
Yeah,
watch your back. Watch your man back, brother. Watch your man back, brother.
Yo, no, I'm going.
Watch it.
It's like it. Bring me just right side dog. Okay, nah, back away, see the thing there, man.
Yeah, no, me just do. I thought them on a proving thing.
Oh, you want proving thing, brother?
Yeah, but a bumbo clap proving thing. I didn't have a cut out that me tell you.
Yeah, see how we trying to go, boy.
Pretty, they stand up right there, and
No,
I know one of them will pay you.
No, why?
Wait, what man's about is
Like
about?
singing down the
You want-
brother.
Crocodile, they lay down.
Singing down that stink.
Big crocodile for money.
Mama would have do it and take that money with ease.
You can't say
You
this.
can't get my money. Like if you can get my money like it.
Now we stand up, they can't get money.
What's that about, so?
Eh? Look, if you can get somebody okay.
What's that about, so?
Look, shallow, you can stand there, so.
No, look at the surrounding. What's that about, so? Crocodile run up on you. You mad? You mad?
Yeah, guys, I go to the tunnel now, you know?
Look on the tunnel and show them keep them there.
Give them the tunnel. Go and strong in the tunnel.
Yeah, man, current and the water and people jump and get shocked.
Devilish lick. Where you going to strong for? And I be dad. I know I'm not back cleaner.
Where you see?
It's gonna look good.
No, man.
I'm not nothing.
And the pag, and the pag.
How can it look, bro?
You straight, I can push you back down. Brother, we can go on for the lead, man. Nah,
That-
we
that-
want to drive straight.
Why you
and
score
gear
that?
every day.
No, man, I pag.
30 years old, you want to mash me up on now?
No, you're not careful. You're not careful.
No chest pins back on my brother.
Daddy, turn right.
You know, the normal people see about anything.
Really pag with you there for the way it up. Yeah, so we go to the right side.
Sorry.
Man, I make current look strong now, you better.
Pag in a cool, go to the
Well, I better.
Yeah, one on
But nah.
No, brother. I want good drive, but brother. With the camera, brother.
You ever seen nothing?
Neat. You put in that one.
So you want to figure so what you do? Why you do them thing you have a prince, brother? In package up over.
You better lick up on me hand, Joe.
Jesus Christ, man. Like,
What?
what? Oh, you mean a man wild? You are behave strong.
I'm on wild charge. Come here.
Put a little soft music in the background.
I still see your shadows in my room.
You think a free fire video?
Watch out, watch out. You see the camera, watch out.
Yeah, look up, man. I can
May I
mash you
show
up.
them something? May I show them something? I know. There's a proving thing them up on game.
What proof? The man name not Puckle, brother.
Paggle.
We are the big one.
Yo, bring can you eat that, brother?
Crocodile.
You want to stop yourself first? The last time?
You want to
Some
stop
people
it?
there, you know.
Reverse, study, reverse.
Why you show it to the bank of the
Come here, teach man how to operate.
Yeah, draw attention. This the crux come for boy. No idea. No.
If you want to draw attention, a man back like speed.
Crux come. You boy just know what you are doing. Sacrifice one on for living.
Oh, you can't fish again.
You just think.
What you say?
Yo, why the boat are swinging, sir?
Yeah, so not. Today is Sunday between the guys. No, it's midday.
In farmer. Snacks break.
Snacks a girl, man. Yeah, snacks make it. Look the boy like go no.
Show the go lad, on that side, alright.
Right, so go.
Chopping us up?
That's not your so stuff.
Yeah, so I don't want no time.
I want to get some big snapper.
What catch?
Fisherman. Fucking.
Study that.
Like we really.
Dedicated to you ghost.
You tell big and fish there.
Why you the thing that you would?
I know, man. I will go. I want to go.
Why not? So let it
Fish is a bit bigger than the fish.
So I think the bad man.
I mean, laggy.
Like with the first fish.
I mean, laggy.
Watch out.
Yeah.
First fish.
The phone, brother.
I feel as it get that was so easy.
So easy.
We did it.
When him say I come out the people, I'm fishing off a tree. Watch him.
What's a 30 line each?
Don't bust the line.
Them's a big man.
Make it stay there,
I
son.
want to take me for a big man.
30 line each, not even with
I
them.
don't know blind, need to blind.
As real as it gets.
Bring him, Taddy.
30 line each people. How can I see you go since you come
Better
with?
use it, you something as a bumbuck that rope. Yeah.
Yeah, Taddy, you keep with Jawin already. You go on.
And me can see from right as I'm two in this.
No, Prince a killer. As I see people live, Taddy, I see you goes.
People them say they want anchor, so the anchor this.
Man, see you goes up the place, man.
Yo, that's only a hot man. Never still near dog.
Him swallow na lagi.
Come in. See there? Dean and even not play.
Too smart,
Dean and
guys.
chop the fish, you're wicked.
You're too smart.
Get that through.
Look one Taddy people.
Anchor.
See him lying there?
Look, guys.
Show him back.
I'm gonna be behind.
Ah, see there? Live show back.
Spin.
Catch and release.
Tag him here so later on our fish. Oh, to my line the right, so I'm gonna be excited.
So you are H2 now?
Super. That I did see what.
Let me take Taddy our example.
Come on, you black snap. Black snap as real as you get in the youth. Body him up for that now.
What is it? Bigger than fish
I
there?
bring that, you know.
And that be I say?
It should be the biggest fish I'm gonna fish here now.
I just say bigger than
Feed
him.
the fish them.
Man,
You catch no cookie tree na?
tree you get, cut the tree.
Like you should be in lagi.
Go farm.
Which one more expensive?
Print.
If you sell wood, and I sell fish.
Yeah, fix it up, cute.
Taddy, where you
Can I wood you sell?
Lumber,
Yo.
lumber.
What are you doing with it?
Print should be in brother.
Why you want to be? Two man already are fishing.
One line, brother.
Fuck them little fish are there.
Feed the fish them too.
Right, let's throw the bait then, throw the bait and get them.
My hook me here.
No, me no them type of fish.
Look.
Yeah, you can't see the fish them.
No, brother.
Crash. Very heavy phone, bro.
Still on the
Yeah,
sea.
chase it.
You want to put the phone under the water, Prince? When I bring on the water camera, I dive in my gloves and I'm watching.
Zoom me, let me see.
It's still not going to sit down.
Zoom me now.
Prince.
Why you gonna if you not try, brother?
The phone already zoom.
Me the shitty island over from Taddy.
Boss, I'm there for a 3 engine on in the phone. Oh, see me? On the board or so.
Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette. And when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man.
Boss, I'm there for Dave Wonder, you know. Come back home, you know.
You had to go back.
I'm going to see my shark in a bother with.
Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't quit it for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my cup and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette. And when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man.
Come back at the boat side. far forth. That's it.
Alright guys, as you can see, with the underwater and thing of the shark. So that's our next one. That one much smaller. So y'all made it to the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. So the man, they must do the right thing. I'm out.